Good evening and welcome to Azeru English speaking community meeting. Tonight we will have KISS program. And what is KISS actually? KISS is abbreviation of knowledge, insight, sharing session. And tonight we feature an organic gardening enthusiast from rural area in Pontianak, but she has a big garden in Yogyakarta. So without further ado, let's start our meeting by letting the presenter give the explanation. So the screen is yours now, Janti.
Thank you, Nani. So it's an honor for me to join this Zoom meeting. And I was actually surprised that Nani asked me to join this video call or English speaking club because I thought who would be interested in talking about gardening. I know that some people have started gardening projects since this COVID-19 has been going on, but I just didn't know how many people would be interested in talking about gardening. So I thought, okay, let's just give it a go. So it's been a very humbling experience because then I know how much hard work goes into gardening, or real farmers who rely on their own farms. It's their bread and butter. So I have now a better understanding of farmers' lives, because for me it's just a hobby, but for them it's a real income.
Okay, so from the first, what is that, session, is there any questions?
We have we should have the same definition of gardening and also urban gardening. I mean, if you grow the plants under your rooms, is it gardening or is it rooming?
Be answering the question, but I think, you know, gardening doesn't have to be in a large space. I mean, even if you have a very tiny yard, or even no space at all. I don't know the technical definition of gardening, but I think as long as you grow something and they look good, they're not dying, that is gardening.
What's your opinion about to start gardening in this new normal, in this COVID era?
So I've noticed, and there has been, during this pandemic, there have been Instagram accounts or businesses that offer online classes on how to make natural soap at home. And the classes sometimes are for free, sometimes are offered for a small fee, like 50,000, because they're not gonna provide you, because it's an online class, they're not gonna give you the kit, right? Soap making kit. So I think your mom needs to start using Instagram to find online classes that are offered for free. How to make her own soap, how to make her own shampoo, and I'm sure she's gonna make money.
But to me, what's most important for today was that what I noticed, when you can't hit the proper English statement, you just say it in Bahasa and then you sing it back to English, and that's the best way to learn. There is no need to be perfect in your expression for English. So when you are trying to get into that point, just go with the flow of whatever you can.